Good morning, dear students. We are seeing the chapter number 2, Pythagoras theorem. We are going to learn the theorem of geometric mean. Start. Theorem. In a right angle triangle, the perpendicular segment to the hypotenuse from the opposite vertex is the geometric mean of the segment into which the hypotenuse is divided. Hypotenuse is divided. Is a QS. Is a hypotenuse is PR is divided PS and SR. Given in triangle PQR, angle PQR is a 90 degree. Segment QS perpendicular to hypotenuse PR. To prove QS square is equal to PS into SR. Proof. Triangle PQR, angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. Segment QS perpendicular hypotenuse PR is a given. Therefore triangle RSQ similar QSP, triangle QSP is a reason similarity of right angled triangle is a RS upon QS is equal to SQ upon PS. SQ upon PS is a corresponding side similar triangle is a CST. Therefore QS square is equal to PS into RS. Therefore the segment QS is the geometric mean of segment PS and RS. is a theorem. Next theorem is Pythagoras theorem in a previous standard 8 and 9 theorem. In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the remaining two sides. Given triangle ABC, angle ABC is a 90 degree. To prove AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square is a base square plus height square is a AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Construction. Draw a perpendicular line. BD is perpendicular to hypotenuse AC and D between S AC. Proof. Triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Segment BD perpendicular to hypotenuse is a construction and is a given and construction. Therefore triangle ABC similar triangle ADB, singular triangle ADB, reason similarity of right angle right angled triangle is a ABC and ADB is a similarity of right angle triangle. Therefore, AB upon AD is equal to AC upon AB. AC upon AB is a region corresponding sides similar triangle. Therefore, AB square is equal to AD into AC. AD into AC from equation first. Also triangle ABC similar triangle ABC similar triangle BDC is a similarity of right angle triangle is BC upon DC is equal to AC upon BC. Therefore, this region is corresponding sides similar triangle is a BC square is equal to AC into DC from equation 2. AB square plus BC square is equal to AD into AC plus AC into DC adding equation first and second. First and second is equal to AD and AC. AD and AC is a AC common, A and C, AC common and AD plus DC is equal to AC. AD and DC is a hypotenuse AC multiplied by AC is equal to AC square. Therefore, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. The D between S AC region, D between S AC, that is hypotenuse square is equal to AC square, height square and B square is a base square is a B square is a proof. The next theorem is converse of Pythagoras theorem. Theorem in a right angle in a triangle, if a square of one side is equal to the sum of the square, one side is equal to the sum of the square of the remaining two sides, then the triangle is a right angle triangle. याच्यामध्ये काय म्हटलं आहे, एक ट्रायंगल काय असणार आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये एक ट्रायंगल मधला जो काय अँगल आहे तो काय दिला 90 डिग्री दिला आणि त्याची साइड्स काय असणार आहेत इक्वल्स दाखवले. त्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला PQ ला काय असणार आहे, AB हा इक्वल दाखवलेला आहे आणि QR ला काय असणार आहे, BC हा इक्वल दाखवलेला आहे. गिवन in triangle ABC is equal to AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square is a Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. To prove angle ABC is a 90 degree. ABC is a 90 degree. Construction: draw the triangle PQR such that the AB is equal to PQ and BC is equal to QR and PQR is a 90 degree. Proof. Triangle in triangle PQR, angle Q is equal to 90 degree is a hypotenuse square PR square is equal to base square QR square plus height square is a PQ square is a Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is equal to QR is a BC square. QR is a BC square plus PQ is a AB square. AB square is equal to AC square. PR is a AC square. PR square is equal to AC square is a given. Therefore PR is equal to AC. Therefore triangle ABC similar or congruent triangle PQR. Therefore triangle ABC similar triangle PQR is a first side, second side and third sides is a equal, is a yes test of similarity. Therefore angle ABC is equal to angle PQR is equal to 90 degree is a converse of Pythagoras theorem. याच्यामध्ये काय म्हटलं की पायथागोरस थेरम याच्यामध्ये कन्वर्स ऑफ पायथागोरस त्याच्यामध्ये अँगल ABC अँगल B हा 90 डिग्री हे काय करायचं आहे प्रूव्ह करून दाखवायचं आहे. याच्यामध्ये इनर ट्रायंगल ऑफ द स्क्वेअर ऑफ द साइड इज इक्वल टू द सम ऑफ द स्क्वेअर ऑफ द रिमेनिंग टू साइड्स देन द ट्रायंगल इज राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल. हे आपल्याला बी हे ग्रुप होऊन जाईल. त्याच्यामध्ये काय काय केलं आपण इन द ट्रायंगल ABC AC स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू AB स्क्वेअर प्लस BC स्क्वेअर इज अ पायथागोरस थेरम. टू प्रूव्ह अँगल ABC इज अ 90 डिग्री. कन्स्ट्रक्शन काय केलं AB ला काय घेतलं PQ घेतलं, BC ला काय घेतलं QR घेतलं आणि AC ला PR घेतलं आणि त्याच्यामध्ये आपण काय घेतलं अँगल PQR इज अ 90 डिग्री घेतलं. ते काय केलं कन्स्ट्रक्शन केलं इन ट्रायंगल PQR त्याच्यामध्ये Q हा काय असणार आहे 90 डिग्री. Q इज अ 90 डिग्री. त्याच्यामध्ये आपण फॉर्म्युला पायथागोरस थेरम PR स्क्वेअर इज अ हायपोटेन्यूज स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू QR स्क्वेअर बेस स्क्वेअर प्लस PQ स्क्वेअर हाइट स्क्वेअर इज अ पायथागोरस थेरम. QR म्हणजे काय तर BC स्क्वेअर आणि PQ स्क्वेअर म्हणजे काय असणार आहे AB स्क्वेअर. PR स्क्वेअर म्हणजे काय तर AC स्क्वेअर. PR स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू AC स्क्वेअर इज अ गिवन. PR इज इक्वल टू काय झाला PR इज इक्वल टू AC झाला. म्हणून देअरफॉर द ट्रायंगल ABC कॉन्ग्रुएंट ट्रायंगल PQR. देअरफॉर ट्रायंगल ABC इज अ सिमिलर ट्रायंगल PQR. हे ट्रायंगल ही साइड इक्वल झाली QR ला BC, AB ला PQ झाली आणि AC ला काय झाली PR झाली. म्हणून काय म्हटलं ट्रायंगल ABC similar triangle PQR SS test. Therefore triangle ABC is equal to angle PQR is equal to 90 degree is a proof. Next one is a practice set 2.1. First question, identify with the reason which of the following are Pythagoras triplet, each one must is a first question. Fourth question, 24, 70 and 74 is a biggest number is a 74. Biggest number is a 74. Here 74 square is equal to 5476 is a smallest is a 24 square plus 70 square is equal to 24 square is a 576 and 70 square is a 4900 is equal to 5476. 4576 is a, therefore 74 square is equal to 24 square plus 70 square. Reason, the largest, the square of largest number, square of largest number is equal to the sum of the square of the other two numbers is the first example. Second one is 10, 24, 27. Solve here. 27 square is equal to 729. First, 10 square plus 24 square is equal to 10 square is 100 plus 576 is equal to 700 and is a 676 is a 27 square is equal to 10 square plus 24 square therefore the square of the largest is not equal to largest number is equal to the sum of the square of the other two numbers. Therefore 27, 10 and 24 is not Pythagorean triplet, and therefore 24, 70, 74 is Pythagorean's triplet. Is the next one is a 11, 60, 61. Here biggest number is 61 square is equal to 3721 and 11 square plus 60 square is equal to 11 square is a 121 plus 60 is a 3600 is equal to 3721. Therefore 61 square is equal to 11 square plus 60 square. Reason, the square of the largest number is equal to the sum of the square of the other other two numbers